Welcome, you guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. Today, we have a wonderful opportunity from CVS as a customer service representative, a work from home opportunity, guys. But before we get right into that job, I want to thank all of you who have purchased my No Work Resume Template Kit, where all you have to do is put your name on the resume. It is formatted and use the keywords that I provide so that you can land the job of your dreams. And for those of you who have purchased, I've seen your messages, and yes, I will be posting your success stories very soon, you guys. But let's get right back into the video. Before we do that, like, share, and subscribe because it grows the channel and it helps us help others who need the help building their resume and building their professional profile. So let's get right into the video, you guys. But before we do the CVS, we do have another opportunity available. This is another remote job, work from home, and it is a high paying job, you guys. So let's get right into. All right, you guys, this next position is from a company called Lumen. This is a tax analysis. Federal tax is remote, you guys. This position is completely remote. And before you guys start jumping down my neck about Sam, I don't know how to do federal taxes. So I am doing this because a lot of you guys have been in my comments saying, hey, I do more than customer service. I'm more than a customer service based person. I have a little bit more education. I have a degree. Why don't you ever do any jobs for us? So this is a job for those who have a little bit more education and a little bit more of a degree. This is for you guys. I am also putting this up on my channel for those who say that they do not qualify. Do not count yourself out. I am here to push you guys into positions that you never thought was possible. This might be one of those positions that you never thought was possible, but after reading this, you say, maybe I can do this. So I am here to push you. But let's talk about this company. So Lumen. This company is a telecommunication company based out of Indiana, but I'm going to be doing more about this company because this company offers really high wages. Most of these positions are remote, and you guys, they have so many positions. So definitely look through the website on this company, but let's get right into the role. In this position, you are responsible for assisting the federal tax team with preparation and filing of federal and international income tax returns. So if you are really good at math and doing any kind of accounting work and you know how to prepare taxes, this might be the position for you. So let's get into the main responsibilities of this position. It says prepare corporate federal income tax filings, prepare U.S. international tax returns, including preparations of Form 5471, 8858, 8865. Assist in the preparation of annual and quarterly income tax provisions, technical working knowledge of corporate taxation in a complex multi-jurisdictional corporation, calculate annual federal income tax extensions, technical working knowledge of corporate taxation, perform federal research and assist with income tax planning, exceptional ability to develop and use collaborative relationships to facilitate the accomplishment of work goals, support tax project and others duties as assigned. And this is what they're looking for in a candidate. You have to have a bachelor's degree or, you guys, equivalent education and experience, 1+ years related experience, strong accounting and analytical skills, interest in technology and its use in business processes, strong computer skills, tax software, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, excellent interpersonal, oral, and written communication skills, self-motivated. Work well in a team environment, detail-oriented, and ability to multitask. It said a CPA is not required, but is preferred. Okay, now let's read the what to expect next. It says when applying for a position, you may be subject to a background screen, which is your criminal records check, motor vehicle report, and drug screening. It depends on the requirements for the position. Now let's get to the salary. So the salary range from $46,000 to $103,000 a year. So the minimum is $46,000 and then the maximum is $103,000, you guys. So jump on this job. I know most of you guys say, "Hey, I don't qualify, I don't meet the qualifications." But when you really think about it, you might meet the qualifications for this position because they're very small. The qualifications are very small. Also, when you pair this with my resume template kit, the No Work resume template kit, where I give you the keywords to apply to this and most of the positions that I put on my channel, it is a no-brainer. So this is Lumen, and it is the federal tax analysis position. And one more quick thing that we're going to go over is the benefits. They do offer a wide variety of benefits, and that's why I chose this job for you guys. And we're going to go to the new hires benefits, and let's see the core benefits. Okay, so they offer some solid benefits. It says your medical, your prescription drug, and your dental benefits. So you not only get your dental, you get your vision, a health savings account, your flexible spending account. You guys, there are so many benefits to this job. I do not have the time to go over them individually, but we are going to do, my next video is going to deep dive into this company because I think this company is a fantabulous company and the benefits are benefiting. This company is one that I am going to devote a whole video on. So you guys, even if you don't feel that you qualify for this position, I'm going to say it again. Put your resume in. Use my resume kit. Use the keywords because I want you to have positions like this where there are endless benefits and you make over $100,000 a year. I'm going to deep dive into this company on the next video. I'm going to go over multiple positions on this company on the next video. But here's the job that you guys really came here for, which is the customer service representative position. It is a work from home position, you guys. So let's deep dive right into this. So this position is from CVS. It is based out of Orlando, Florida. And this is a call center position. So this position, it says work from home flexible, you guys. All right, so let's get into the job description. It says, are you interested in working a flexible schedule and you live 75 miles away from Orlando? An opportunity where you can balance priorities in and outside of work while being committed to delivering heart-driven service to our millions of plan members. So obviously with this job, they want you to be flexible. So it's probably like 3 days on, 3 days off or something like that. But I know you would have to go through training. So that is why they want you to be close to the actual call center. It says in this role, you will be assisting members with their pharmacy benefit plans. You would take inbound calls and answer questions regarding prescription insurance, medication coverage, and mail order prescriptions so that our members better understand their coverage and options. Through your skills and knowledge, you will offer the solutions needed to help simplify their healthcare experience. You will have the opportunity to learn more about healthcare while expanding your own experiences and opening doors to additional opportunities within CVS. And then they go on to say, we offer work from home flexibility if you meet the criteria. But let's drop down to the next paragraph. It says we have comprehensive training program to ensure the success on the team. This includes on-site training up to 7 weeks. Training is created to allow you to experience hands-on learning while interacting with trainers, self-paced modules, and leadership engagement from day one. Training location can vary by individual experience with on-site and work-from-home positions. You may be able to deploy home after orientations or at various stages throughout the training window. So basically why they put that up there that you have to be within 75 miles away from Florida is that you're going to be trained. But looking at this, it says you may be able to deploy home after your orientation. You may be able to go home. Now let's see what their scheduling options are. They said they are designed to create a flexible work schedule from those balances priorities in and outside of work. We are currently offering full-time schedules ranging from 30 to 40 hours per week. Days off and hours may vary. Though you have a set schedule, site hours are from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days per week. Now let's go to their benefits. It says we offer a comprehensive benefits package which includes medical, dental, vision insurance, as well as a wide range of supplemental benefits and discount programs, including tuition reimbursement. So if you don't take this job for nothing else, take it for the tuition reimbursement, because your tuition reimbursement allows you to go to school to further your skills for free. And this is paid for by CVS. But it also says it has paid holidays, PTO, floating holidays, and it says benefit and PTO eligibility begins the first day that you start. Now let's get to this pay and qualifications. So the minimum is $17 an hour. The maximum is $27.90, guys. Now let's look at the required qualifications. It says 1 year experience interacting with customers, either at a call center, retail, customer service environment, and you have to be proficient in Windows-based application. So it says ability to solve in a positive, productive manner, comfortable relating to customers in a patient, helpful way, reliability and compliance with scheduling standards, ability to exhibit patience and empathy, strong customer service skills, strong oral, interpersonal, and communication skills, and then the education is a high school diploma. But I'm going to take it further, you guys. So that is why, like I said, that I created my resume, no work resume template kit. So all you do is you're going to plug the words that I give you on my list of keywords into your resume and watch the hiring managers call you and come your way. All right, you guys, step outside of your comfort zone, like, share, and subscribe, and apply for every job that you can. Be freaking delusional. All right, see you guys on the next video. Bye.